We provide hardware solutions to wind turbine owner-operators who don't already have drivetrain or hub CMS systems, and allowing our customers or ourselves to monitor turbines remotely. And we also back that up with engineering services. We're working with OWGP because they've given us a research grant to help us grow our wind turbine blade monitoring product. We've now got the system installed on multiple turbines, getting some very good data in. We've got business plans to cut this product into our portfolio and then actually produce decent revenue down the line. This project with OWGP really helped us to progress a project that otherwise wouldn't have had that pure motivation and funding for us to go out and develop.
So for OWGP, we've had support for the WES program and also some grant funding as well. Both of those were on the development of our PALM, Pull and Lock Marine Connector, which is all about making a safe marine connection in a harsh environment. And what the OWGP funding allowed us to do was to take a step back from that hands-on engineering technology development and take a view for who our end client is. What is the business plan for this? Where we really benefited there was finding those gaps where we could commercialize our product and also developing our business plan as well. So that's where we would certainly recommend further engagement.
We've been working with the Offshore Wind Growth Partnership for a number of years now. We've received a development grant to help us develop next generation cable technology. It's a real classic example of how OWGP can help accelerate supply chain companies like ourselves to move quicker into the market, but also demonstrate those technologies ahead of when those customers are going to need it. So we're in the middle of construction right now of our new high voltage cable manufacturing facility. It's a new facility that will allow JDR to move up into the voltage range and supply very long lengths of cables as underpinned by the OWGP development grant. So going to be hiring another 170 or more roles in our first phase of the development, and that's really what this industry needs to bring those great new technologies to the market.
Through OWGP West, we had our first real interaction with the offshore wind market, but what it really did was to showcase some really fertile new opportunities for growth that we're now pursuing through the development grant. The support from OWGP has enabled us to work really closely with the offshore wind sector to design and build a new part of the BizGive platform focused on community engagement in asset benefits and asset design. I would definitely recommend working with OWGP. Not only has it enabled us to forge a really deep network within the sector, which can be quite hard to get into given the size of some of these companies, but it's also unveiled some really exciting new growth areas for the business.
We've been working with OWGP now for 3 years, and we've had 2 projects. One's still ongoing and one we closed out recently. This instrument here, which is an acoustic Doppler current profiler, and it's the telemetry, the communications to a topside buoy. That was the bit we developed. Working with OWGP has been extremely useful. We're seeing a meaningful impact in terms of business activity. We've taken on extra employees around this product. I would encourage other people to participate in the OWGP program.